This kind of analysis simply samples several kinds of results along a segment's line. The internal surface has two boundary conditions: internal and increased resistance, auto-assigned by frame simulator. Let's chart temperatures and surface resistances along the internal surface. Make sure that the A button on the Boundary tab is active. Select the inner boundary, click Create New on U-factor/sampling. Activate temperature and surface resistance sampling on this new item. Make sure to set this U-factor/sampling also on increased resistance boundary. Update simulation. You'll find the charts under Advanced Results, Sampling Analysis. These charts, as every other result, are available as tags, and they can be displayed in labels. Now suppose we want to analyze the surface temperature of the cavity between glazing and frame. You need to go to Areas tab, select Segment Material Type, and make sure that the A button is active. You can specify the U-factor/sampling parameter also on Segment Materials. In this case, you just have to activate temperature sampling and increase precision. 1 mm is not enough in this case. Make sure to select the newly created U-factor/sampling and assign this material to the cavity's surface. Update simulation again. Now the analysis is ready,